All right, guys, we just got done with creating our room schedules. We actually need to start inputting some values into our room schedules. Um, this actually goes pretty quick. It's not terribly difficult, and it's almost the last thing that we need to do. So the easy thing some of the easiest things that we're going to do is I'm going to come here where my ceiling finish is. We're using the same ceiling paint everywhere, and I'm actually just going to call this PT-C. And anytime we input a value in a schedule, Revit remembers that value for all the other rooms to have the same value. So just with some mouse clicks, we can take paint color or the ceiling paint and apply it to every room. In this case, it's on the second floor. So just with some mouse clicks, we've got that solved. Not a problem. All of our wall, floor, and base finish is going to change a little bit. The big thing that's going to be different is that the wall finish in the master suite, so that's master bedroom, master bath, the closets, both master closets, and the toilet room, they're all actually going to get PT-2. Now, it's funny how I'm starting here on the second floor, and when it's the first floor that I actually have open on the page, on the right here on the table next to me. Every other room, and I mean every other room in the entire house, gets PT1. But now that I've entered PT1 and PT2, then I can instantly select PT1 as well as PT2 in any of these rooms. Okay. Our base finish, we're going to use the same wood base throughout the entire project, except the master suite gets an upgrade, so that's going to be WD-2, right? Is that what I put down? Yes, it is. So wood 2 for the master suite and all the rooms in the master suite, all the closets and the toilet room. Everywhere else gets wood 1. You can see how quickly it's going, just popping these values in. Okay. Floor finish. Almost the same kind of thing. We do get an upgrade. We do get upgraded carpet in the master bedroom and in the master closets. In the master bath and in the toilet room, we get an upgrade on ceramic tile, CT. And on all the bathrooms, obviously, we're going to get ceramic tile. There's one there. And there's CT1. Everything else here gets a CP-1 for carpet 1. All the bedrooms, all the closets, and even the stairs. All right, there's the second floor finishes. We go back down to the ground floor. In the bedroom, let's see, I still have all the options of all the finishes that I've previously selected on the second floor. Well, these values are for room objects, even though we filtered out other room objects from the schedule. So we have carpet number 1. In the bath, we have ceramic tile number 1. And in the closet, we go back to carpet. For the floor finish, all the other rooms in the house on the ground floor, STC1, that's stained concrete, or at least that's what I'm designating to be stained concrete. all the way throughout. Oop, except the stairs. Sorry, stairs don't get stained concrete. Stairs are carpet one. Okay. Base finish is WD1 throughout the ground floor. Now, the only difference between wood base number 1 and wood base number 2, I mean, they could be the same size. They could be the same profile. They could have a different finish color. That might be the only difference between wood base 1 and wood base 2, could be the finish color. Or they could be the same color and they'd be the same height, but they could be a different cut profile. That could be the only difference there. Wall finishes, we're just going to use paint number 1 throughout. Unfortunately, you cannot change multiple objects in a schedule by holding down the shift key or anything like that. There's sort of another way to do it, but it's a little trickier. And the ceiling finish, I will show you how to do that real quick. The only way to make multiple changes at once, I'm going to come up here. I'm going to go to my ground floor. Here's my ground floor. Now, because it was that room that I had highlighted in the schedule, that's why it's highlighted here on the plan. So I'm going to select everything. I'm going to use my filter command. I'm going to take out everything except the rooms. Okay, that's kind of consistent. That's a little unusual. So nothing. There they are. Rooms. I just want the rooms. Now I can scroll down. It says multiple families selected, but they're all rooms. So if I scroll down here, ceiling finish. Because I want all these ceilings to be the same, PT-C. Press return. Press apply. Here we go. Now when I go back to ground floor room schedule, now they're all applied. So that's how you can put multiple values in a schedule like that, is you actually have to go back to the floor plan. You have to select all the objects. It's a little counterintuitive, but that's how that happens. Well, anyway, that is actually placing the values in the schedule. So that's it. Everyone's caught up. I've got one more thing that sort of needs to happen. Well, more than sort of needs to happen. We really should get it done. I will cover it in class on Tuesday probably. But in case anyone wants to get ahead, save us all a little bit of time, we can do that as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video.